No, this is not my car. I swiped my trusty and convenient dark gray Ford Escape for this Porsche. Just for a week. Not the most practical decision, especially when you need to carpool kids to school or run errands. It is almost as if I dared myself to inject some excitement into my life. I often reflect on my day-to-day routine, and I do realize that I have allowed it to become too mundane. Days slip by fast and unnoticed, and it is only on Thursday nights that I suddenly remember, oh, tomorrow is a garbage day again, already. Maybe that's just how things are Monday through Friday. It's freaking drizzling. Damn it. A continuous cycle of things to do to keep my little world running. Work, home, dinner, Netflix, over and over and over.
I don't think I'm going to take the roof down at this point. You know what's annoying about this car is that there's no back camera, I think. Because I'm just not used to not have a back camera.
Really thought that I love convertibles. I was okay with that. I always thought it's not my thing because it gets too windy, it gets too sunny. Not that it's sunny, it was actually literally drizzling a little bit, and it's 65 degrees. God knows it's mid-May, California. So anyhow, for 2 days when I had this car, I was driving it with the roof closed. Then eventually my son says like, Mom, you've got to open the roof. So we opened the roof, and then eventually I was like driving like that for 2 days, and oh my God, now I was like, oh my God, I love it. And it's freaking drizzling like a lot.
Now the garbage truck came and left this morning again. The week has passed, and I am spending a day out to do something nice for myself, you know? Not that I haven't done that before. A day off is nice, the car is nice, and these little things are nothing but a band-aid if you lost your ways.
Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna
Sometimes I wonder what I want from life. Like what would satisfy me and give me peace.
not blue?
I have everything I need or want, at least according to, societal standards. I have amazing family, friends, enough financial security to have home, food, clothes, and travel. I mean, nothing fancy, but good enough, And then when I used to work full-time, I was definitely earning better income. I was running my own law practice, and it was just so busy. It's impossible to find, that balance. So that's why I left it all behind, so I could find my fulfillment and put my efforts into doing things I love. But I have yet to find my peace. So what do I really, truly want? I must be looking for a wrong thing or in a wrong place. I'm glad you came along with me. So thank you for coming. Let me give a kiss. Your cheek. Mwah. Oh, I'm crazy.
Blue moon, been one or two since I ran